Good morning. A very good morning. So, Swara Singh, hello. Today I will continue. Swara Singh, hello. Today I will continue my lesson like surface areas and volumes. Good morning. Where are you, Swara Singh? Where are you from? आप कहाँ से हो? So today I am going to take mensuration chapter, and I will continue. I will directly start the question and answers from the textbook. So when I am Bangalore, very good. When I am teaching, you should always have a textbook. Okay, sometimes I will be writing that questions on the board, sometimes I may not be writing. Oh, Bangalore. Okay. Are you studying 10th class? And if at all, if you are studying in a school, can you tell me in your school which chapter is going on? If you are studying in, can you tell me which chapter is going on? Yeah. So, let me start syllabus Olympiad. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. So, I hope you have completed syllabus completed. Yeah, I know. By this time, almost all the schools, October, all the schools syllabus will be completed. So, better if you listen to the mensuration areas, surface areas and volumes. Good. So, 2 cubes of question number 1, exercise 12.1, question number 1. 2 cubes of each volume. 2 cubes are joined. So, volume of each cube. I am writing data. Each cube is equal to 64 cm cube, cubic centimeter. So, whenever a volume of cube is given, you can easily find out the side, because cube, all edges are equal, all sides are equal. So, that is why when cube volume is given, you can easily find out the length of the cube or edge of the cube or side of the cube. So, I will find out. I will write L cube is equal to 64 and L is equal to cube root of 64 and it is 4 centimeters. So, the edge of cube, each cube is 4 centimeters. So, what happened? In this, 2 cubes are joined. Say 2 cubes are joined, this is 1 cube, I am writing just this is one more cube. When 2 cubes are joined, what happened? You will be, a new solid figure will be joining, formed, a new solid figure will be joined, and this will be a cuboid. So, new figure is equal to a cuboid, new figure. When you join 2 cubes, a cuboid will be formed. So, now let us find out LBH of this cuboid, because when there are solid figures, when a cube or cuboid or a cylinder, whatever, you should know the measurements, so that what happen, you can find anything. अभी इसमें से we have to find out the length of cuboid, breadth of cuboid and height of the cuboid. So because when it is already we have got 4 centimeters, so 4 and 4 length is equal to 8 centimeters, and this is the breadth, and breadth is no change, it is 4 centimeters. Cube जैसा ही है, and height is also equal to 4 centimeters. Now we have got originally cube measurements, and we have got a new solid formed measurements also. Okay, and find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So we have to find out the surface area. Surface area is equal to, now here in this nothing is indicated, whether it is lateral or total. If nothing is indicated, always assume that it is a total surface area. Okay, इधर कुछ भी लिखा हुआ है lateral वगैरह, then you have to find out only that. अभी इसमें he did not mention anything, so that you should assume that this surface area is a total surface area. Write the formula LB, BH and LH. So formula carries always marks. So then 2 into LB, 8 into 4 I am writing directly, 8 into 4 32 centimeters square, BH 4 4s are 16 centimeters square, and LH again 32 centimeters square. So then 2 into 32 plus 32 64 70 80 centimeters square, so which is equal to 160 centimeters square. This is the surface area of a new cuboid. Okay, I hope you have understood. Let us go to another question. Okay, a vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. I told you yesterday in my last class, this chapter completely based on combination of two figures. कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ ठीक है, एक दो फिगर ले दो तीन फिगर सॉलिड फिगर्स लेके कंबाइन करके एक नया सॉलिड फिगर बनाना, उसमें हम सरफेस एरियाज वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट करना है. बिकॉज इंडिविजुअली क्यूब, क्यूबॉइड, सिलेंडर, कोन, स्फीयर, हेमिस्फीयर, प्रिज्म, ऑल दीज एरियाज यू हैव ऑलरेडी completed in 8th class and 9th class also. In this special particular class, you should be able to understand a new figure formed with the combination of 2-3 figures, and then vice versa. Okay, let us see second question. Second question, a hollow cylinder. This is a hollow cylinder and a hemisphere is there. A hemisphere is done. Okay, I will draw little big. Question number 2. This is the hollow cylinder. Okay, and इधर से एक hemisphere is there. So this is hemisphere. I will write HS, and this is cylinder. I will write just C. Now let us understand further. The diameter of hemisphere is 14. So this is the diameter of hemisphere. This is 14. Diameter of hemisphere, if I say AB and CD, both are same. AB is equal to same. This is 14. Okay. So this is 14 centimeters, and this is also 14 centimeters. So then total height is 15 centimeters. Say total height is from here, let me draw here and here. This is the total height, and this is 13 centimeters. Okay. So find the inner surface area of the vessel. Find inner surface area of the vessel. So then let us divide into two figures. One is hemisphere, the other one is cylindrical portion. So in this hemisphere, radius is equal to 14 by 2, it is 7 centimeters, and cylinder, let me say R1, cylinder R2, R2 is also same 14 by 2, 7 centimeters. Okay, R1 is equal to R2, both hemisphere radius is equal to cylinder radius, and cylinder is having one more measurement, that is height. So this height is needed. Total height is how much? This is the total height, and this is 7, and this is 7 and 7 and 7. If I draw continuous, what happened? This is also 7 and 7. So this is 5. 7 plus 5, sorry, not 5, 6. 7 plus 6, 13. So cylindrical portion height is 6 centimeters. So now we have hemisphere radius and cylindrical measurements. So now inner surface area, therefore inner surface area is equal to hemisphere plus cylinder surface area. Okay. So cylinder is also, top is not there, the cylinder will actually, the vessel will be like this. This is the vessel type. So there is no top for the cylinder. So you have to take curved surface area of the cylinder, and this is same. This is also curved surface area, right? So then let us put the formulas. Can you tell me the formulas here? 2 pi r square, and this is cylinder CS is 2 pi r h. So both are same. Okay, R1 R is equal to R2 is equal to R. Both are same. Let us take 2 pi r common and R plus h. Okay. So then how much? 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is how much? 7. 7 plus 6. 7 cancel. 44 into 13. 577 centimeters square. This is inner surface area. Okay. So second question, third question. A toy is in the form of a cone mounted by hemisphere. So this will be cone mounted by hemisphere. Okay. Previously cylinder, hemisphere, now cone and hemisphere. Question number 3. So now here let us write cone and hemisphere. Let us find out the measurements. For cone we have radius, height, radius will be there, height will be there, L also will be there, slant height, 3 things. Hemisphere only radius will be there. Okay. So then let us understand radius 3 centimeter. So this is 3.5 centimeters, and both radiuses are same, 3.5 centimeters. Okay, both radius is same. So this is 3 and this is also 3. Hemispherical height is also equal to 3. Okay, and the total height is 15.5. Total height is this one. This is 15.5, and already this is 3, and this is nothing but 15.5 minus 3 is equal to 12.5. This is the height of the conical. So height of the conical is 12.5, and that's it, 12.5. Find the total surface of the toy. Total surface area with the toy. I am sorry, radius is 3.5. Okay. Then how much? It is equal to 12, na? 12. So now we should find out L. Why? Surface area is equal to CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. CSA of cone is how much? Pi r L, and this is a 2 pi r square. Now L we don't know. L you should find out. So now L is equal to square root of r square plus h square. Pythagoras theorem. This is L. So how much? 3.5 whole square plus 12 whole square. So this is 12.25 and this is 144. Can you tell me how much? 6 by 156.25. Calculator. How to find out 156.5? I'll do here. 156.25. 1, 2. So you should know how to find out a square root also. Two and 1. So 1, 2, 2, 5, 5 times. So 24, 5. So 12.25. 12.5. Okay. So L is equal to 12.5. Let us find out answer. In this pi r we can take common L plus 2r. So now finally you substitute the values. 22 by 7 into radius is how much? 3.5. L is how much? 12.5 plus radius is how much again? 3.5. So this 7 in 3.5, 0.5 times it will go. 0.5 into 22, 11. And 12.5 plus 3.5, 16. 176 cm square. Okay, so this is how question number 3 goes. Got it? దీంట్లో కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఇలా ఇండివిజువల్గా చేయకుండా ఇలా కామన్ తీసుకుని ఒక ఫైనల్ ఫార్ములా వస్తే కనుక దాంట్లో ఇలా వస్తుంది. సో అప్పుడు నీకు దీంట్లో ఎక్కడ తప్పు వచ్చినా పర్వాలేదు. ఈ ఫైనల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ ఉంది కదా, ఈ సబ్స్టిట్యూషన్ ఫైనల్లో చేస్తున్నాం కదా, అక్కడ ఒక చిన్న తప్పు పోయినా పర్వాలేదు. యూ విల్ గెట్ మ్యాక్సిమం మార్క్స్ అన్నమాట. సో ఈ మొత్తం అన్ని సమ్స్ ఇలా ఒక ఫైనల్ ఫార్ములాని తీసుకుని యూ కెన్ హ్యావ్ ఇట్ లైక్ దిస్. ఓకే, So now let us go to question number 4. సరిపట్లేదు, నువ్వు తర్వాత కాపీ చేసుకుంటే చేసుకోవచ్చు. A cubical block of 7 centimeter surmounted by hemisphere. Okay, so there is a cubical block, right, and surmounted by hemisphere. Right, I will draw on the top surface. Top surface I will draw separately. This is the square top surface, and hemisphere means it will be like this. Got it? So some area is left here. You have to be very careful. Top surface ante ee cube undi kada dani paina, because it won't cover. Hemisphere has a circular base, and whereas cube has a square base. So square base, circular base. So what is the greatest diameter that hemisphere can have, and find the area of the solid. So now this is the solid, so this is hemisphere and this is a cube, right. So greatest dimension is, this is the greatest one. So that means this is nothing but side of the cube is equal to side of cube is equal to diameter of hemisphere. Okay, so then side is 7 centimeters, which is equal to 7 centimeters. 7, okay, 7, 7. So then radius. So find the surface area. Now we will divide it. One is a hemisphere and cube. So both are same. L is equal to same. You don't need to do anything. So let me write L of cube is equal to 7 centimeters. Radius of hemisphere is equal to 7 by 2, 3.5 centimeters. So now surface area. Surface area means even this shaded region also will come. That means CSA of hemisphere plus LSA of cube plus this shaded region. This is also surface area only. Okay, so this is a block, cubical block. That means base also shall be included. So here area of base, area of base. This is the entire formula. CSA of hemisphere 2 pi r square. LSA of this is 6s square, 6l square, plus shaded region square minus circle, square area minus circle area, plus pi r. Base is nothing but LB. Okay, this I am keeping it as this one. This is length and this is breadth. So like this it will be there. Okay, so this is length and breadth. Length and breadth. So now substitute 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is how much? 3.5 into 3.5. this is hemisphere, okay. 6 into 7 into 7, this is a lateral surface area of the cuboid, and square, this is L square only, na? This is L square, it will become L square. So L square minus pi r square plus L square. So let us cancel it. 0.5 0.5 into 2, 1, 22, 22 into 3.5, this is first, this is 42 into 9, 7, 294, L square, 49 minus pi r square is how much? 22 by 7 into radius is 3.5 into 3.5, okay, and L square is 49. So how much? 5 22 110 11 3 66 11 70 77.0 294 0.5 11, so 49 minus 11 into 3.5, 3 11 are 33, 33 plus 5 38 plus 49. So this will be the surface area of the entire block, okay. Got it? So itna bada. So is a little bit complicated, but all formulas are very easy unless until you understand this, na? This is a very crucial for this cube, okay. Unless until you see that, you can't do, okay. So that's it. Let us go to question number 5 also. Now my time is already done. 5th question, tomorrow I am going to teach you. Vama Kashyap, hi. Okay, I will end this one. నువ్వు రాసుకుంటావా ఇవి అక్కర్లేదా? ఏది ట్రయాంగిల్సా?